Welcome back to the Busted Knuckle Garage, where today we'll be tackling restoring the paint on the bonnet of the NA MX-5. So as you can see, it's pretty shot too. I'm going to clay bar it and then hit it with some Malco, see how it comes up. Hopefully the result is the same as the guard from yesterday.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
The bonnet's had enough time to dry off. So this is what happens when you don't wash bird poop off your car. It starts to eat through the paint. So there's a bit there. There's another one here. There it is. All in all, come up okay. See a lot of hard water marks on it. Chip there, but we'll worry about that later. For now, we just want to polish it up and see what it comes up like. So this is what the clay bar looks like now. So all of this was contamination in the paint. So think of paint like your skin. It's a porous material. So as you're driving along, it's raining on the roads, cars are kicking up all kinds of junk, contamination. So you've got transmission fluid, oil, road grime, industrial fallout, buses, trucks, planes, whatnot. So yeah, so now we're going to hit it with some Malco Rejuvenator. I gotta buy more. Not much left. See how she turns up.
We will face it, standing side by side. When you sound the alarm and charge, I'm coming, I'll fight and swear on the breath that I breathe. I'll never retreat, I'll be your army. Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me.
So this is all untouched, and this is just with one pass using Malco. I should have just enough to finish this bonnet. You can see where the bird droppings sat. It's eating through a bit. Not to worry. I'll keep going and we'll have a look at the end result. outside and we'll sit in these over for a few minutes. Come back and wipe it off.
May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
Okay guys, so I'm back. The camera had actually died while I was wiping off the last bit of the sealant. So I'll pick up the camera and show you the final result. So this is the final result. By no means is it perfect. You see imperfections still. Stain from the bird poo. There's a chip here. But still, I really can't complain. Another imperfection right there. But I mean, the other alternative was to paint it, which I'd rather not. I mean, it looks 100 times better than that. That's how the whole car looked. So now, this matches that. Next up will be the front bumper, the hardtop, and then the rest of the car. Alright guys, so that concludes today's episode of the MX-5 project restoration. If you liked, leave a like. If you didn't, dislike. Thanks for hanging around, and I'll catch you on the next episode.